Today we will take a look at the basic requirements for the application and selection of rail transit hardware. We will introduce it in 5 parts, mainly the application of the product and the selection requirements of Kinlong Precision's locks and bathroom hardware. Finally, we will introduce what information or help Kinlong Precision can provide in terms of hardware integration, promotion, and technical support. First, let's learn about rail transit, mainly referring to different areas or doors of the station, and what hardware products will be applied to them. As can be seen from this picture, rail transit stations are divided into different areas, or doors, including public areas, platform levels, station concourse levels, tunnel areas, etc. The hardware configuration of each area or door is different. Rail transit scenarios include different types of rail transit, such as subways, high-speed rails, light rails, maglevs, etc., but the demand for hardware products and service requirements are the same, only the specific product configurations are different. For example, product requirements mainly include high standard requirements and high safety requirements. Service requirements mainly include strong professional capabilities and fast response speed. Product demands and service requirements are very different from those of finely decorated residences and hotels. Here you can get a preliminary understanding of what hardware is specifically used in different rooms or doors of rail transit. Kinlong Precision can provide different solutions for these products. How to choose suitable hardware for rail transit must also comply with some unique requirements. Kinlong has corresponding solutions for these requirements. There are 6 requirements for the selection of rail transit hardware, mainly functional, differentiation and product safety. Different from other scenes such as hotels or finely decorated rooms, rail transit hardware has high standards for selection, and is basically products of American standards or European standards or above. In addition, safety requirements are high, and most hardware requires fire protection, especially for special occasions. For example, communication channels and tunnels are also required to resist wind pressure. Public restroom doors are required to be safe and hygienic, so the hardware configuration is mainly push-pull panels, hinges, door closers, and tongue locks. The purpose of dumb tongue lock. Mainly, you can lock the door when doing maintenance in the bathroom. This is a scene diagram and configuration diagram of the supporting hardware in a public restroom. It includes the product name, model, material, etc., as well as the location of the configuration on the door, etc. It is very specific. The control room door hardware mainly requires easy management, so it is necessary to install a classroom lock that facilitates function switching. At ordinary times, the manager can use the key to set the lock as a passage lock to facilitate everyone's entry and exit. When leaving work, use the key to lock the door, and the door closer automatically closes the door at any time. You can use your hand to unlock and go out, but you need a key to enter the door. This is the scene diagram and configuration diagram of the control room door hardware. The configuration diagram is for a double door configuration, so there are also hardware products such as sequencers, dummy locks, and automatic latches. This configuration is also suitable for conference rooms, etc. To ensure personal safety, you cannot take the elevator in the event of a fire, but can only take the stairs. The fire door in the stairwell can isolate the fire area from the stair area to ensure safe escape. Therefore, the hardware of fireproof doors must be fireproof hardware, including fireproof push bar locks, fireproof hinges, fireproof door closers, fireproof sequencers, etc. Fire door configuration diagram. If it is a double open fire door, the other door must be equipped with an escape push bar lock with upper and lower bolts. The spare parts warehouse stores some valuable parts used for station maintenance. Property safety is the main requirement, so a storage room lock with European standards or above is selected. Every time the door is opened, the door closer automatically closes. The door and the lock automatically locks. A key is required to open the door, which avoids after closing the door with an ordinary lock, the door can still be opened if the key is not locked. The scene diagram of the spare parts warehouse door and the hardware product configuration diagram. In addition to the spare parts warehouse, this configuration can also be used in the equipment area and strong, weak, electrical rooms. The main requirement for the hardware configuration of the ticket room is to ensure the safety of property, so it is equipped with anti-theft locks and anti-theft hinges. The anti-theft lock must reach an anti-theft level of B or above to prevent violent opening and technical opening. Anti-theft hinges are equipped with anti-theft pins. Because anti-theft doors generally open outwards, it is easy to remove the hinge axis and separate the two hinges, making it easy to dismantle the anti-theft door. Hinges with anti-theft pins can prevent this problem. Scene diagram and hardware configuration diagram of the ticket room. The hardware requirements of the lounge are also to facilitate the installation. There are many people in the lounge, and it needs to be easy to enter and exit at ordinary times. The outdoor key and the indoor knob can be set as a passage lock. When cleaning or maintenance is needed, the outdoor key can be set as a door lock function. This is the scene diagram and hardware configuration diagram of the lounge. This configuration is also suitable for offices and other scenarios. The inter-regional communication channel is a channel between two tunnels. If an accident occurs in one tunnel, the personnel in this tunnel can be evacuated to the other tunnel in an emergency. Usually the doors of the communication passage are closed to each other in both directions and have to withstand the large negative pressure caused by the passing of the subway. Therefore, the push bar lock has high wind pressure resistance requirements. The standard requirement is 3000 pascals. Jianlang's wind pressure resistance push bar lock. The bar lock can resist wind pressure up to 6000 pascals to ensure safety. This is the hardware configuration of the wind pressure resistant door of the communication channel. In addition to the wind pressure resistant push bar lock, it also needs an eccentric door shaft, American standard hinges, and a safety chain. The load capacity reaches more than 275 kg. The safety chain acts as a double insurance. If the door shaft falls out, the safety chain can prevent the door leaf from falling off, causing a safety accident. The requirement for hardware in the signal equipment room is to separate electromechanical components, which means that the door can be accessed by swiping a card or password through access control, and the inside of the door has a mechanical lock function, and the door can be opened by pressing the handle at any time. This ensures easy outdoor control and easy indoor escape. In addition to other hardware, there must be a wire passing device or wire passing hinge for passing power cords and signal lines. This is the scene diagram and hardware configuration diagram of the signal equipment room. An access control controller needs to be configured outdoors. This configuration is also suitable for scenarios such as power distribution rooms and station master rooms. Bathroom hardware for rail transit projects. Different regions have different requirements for bathroom hardware. The main requirement for bathroom hardware in public restrooms is safety and hygiene, followed by complete supporting facilities. Therefore, you should choose contact-free sensor faucets, hand dryers, sensor soap dispensers and other products. Avoid bacterial cross-infection. The floor drain should choose a water-sealed floor drain with good sealing performance to prevent viruses or bacteria from spreading to the bathroom through the sewer pipes. This is the scene picture of the public toilet and the configuration plan of Kinlong bathroom hardware products. The requirements for bathroom hardware and barrier-free bathrooms are mainly safety and hygiene. In addition to the same touch-free bathroom hardware as public bathrooms, safety handrails and other products are also added to avoid falling when using the bathroom. This is the scene diagram and configuration plan of a barrier-free bathroom. From the plan, we can see that there are many safety handrails in the bathroom. Whether it is the toilet or the wash basin, there are safety handrails to ensure the safety of users in all aspects. The requirements for bathroom hardware in the mother and baby room are also safe and hygienic. There are contact-free bathroom hardware and a baby table. When users use the bathroom or restroom, they can place the baby on the baby table and fix it without worries. This is the scene and hardware configuration of the mother and baby room. In order to facilitate the sales of product integration, Kinlong Precision has made a lot of integrated promotional materials. You can choose them according to your needs and provide them when communicating with customers. The first is a promotional leaflet for rail transit hardware integration. It is clear at a glance which hardware is used in different areas, allowing customers to quickly understand. The second is the exhibition board for the rail transit door hardware system, which can be applied for according to project needs, allowing customers to understand the overall hardware solution more intuitively. The third is the Atlas of the Rail Transit Hardware Integrated Configuration Solution. You can scan the QR code to save the electronic atlas. The pages can be turned. It does not take up space on your mobile phone and has a good experience. The content of this atlas includes not only American and European standard hardware solutions with different configurations, including hardware configuration solutions for each area or door, but also a tender document template, introduction and comparative analysis of the main indicators of relevant standards. There are also individual product models and introductions to rail transit-related hardware, including locks, bathroom hardware, door closers, floor springs, door control hardware and other products. It is also the first in the industry. Rail transit projects have high technical requirements. In addition to high standard products, they also need to provide high standard technical support. Kinlong Precision's application technology department engineers can assist the project in the preparation of technical requirements for rail transit tender documents, eliminating customers' professional confusion and writing the company's product advantages into the tender documents. Engineers can also provide a complete product configuration plan based on the door plan or building floor plan provided by the customer, as well as the technical requirements of the tender document, and produce a professional hardware configuration table and hardware group table, which also facilitates statistics on the quantity and quotation of various types of hardware. Engineers can also provide a complete master key system solution based on the customer's management requirements for each department. After the product is installed, we can respond quickly to various problems that arise, solve them in a timely manner, serve customers professionally, and solve various technical problems of customers. Thanks.